Well, I'm delighted to say that I'm joined now by Jeremy Watson, President of the IET, and Faye Banks, former Young Woman Engineer of the Year. Well, we're here to talk about inclusivity, aren't we? So let's start with you. It's not just about gender, is it?
Absolutely not, no. It's about bringing people in laterally from other discipline areas, people with different opportunities, into the centre, into engineering. Particularly people studying subjects at A-level, perhaps that aren't science, technology, engineering and maths, but also people coming in from apprenticeships, people changing careers and maternity returners to work. People perhaps who are disadvantaged financially, who need support, and that's what the IET is doing with its Horizon Bursary Award, by providing a bursary of £1,000 a year for up to 4 years to develop people's opportunities in that area and to encourage them to grow in that way and enter our profession.
Would you say it's largely a problem of communication then, of letting people understand what engineering can be as a career?
Yes, I think so, because when I was at school, it was the kind of traditional subjects, and the careers advisors never really had the kind of wider view of industry and the skills gaps, for example. We're building up to a skills gap in the 1990s. We kind of downsized on apprenticeships, but then never picked that up. So, yeah, I think it's kind of lack of information out in the wider community.
And you didn't come to engineering in a traditional way, did you, either?
No. So I kind of left the local authority care system at 16. Failed all my GCSEs, but then went back to college to resit them. Unfortunately got 10 grade A's the following year. And at the time I was working in a manufacturing plant, and actually I was so switched on with the work that the engineers were undertaking every day, and that's what drew me into that environment.
What an amazing example you're setting to so many people and doing so brilliantly now. That's an amazing story. So back then to what you can do, is apart from communication, letting people understand, what other measures are you taking to make engineering a more attractive career choice for people?
Well, I think it's got to be a holistic approach. So we have to make sure that parents, particularly of young girls, say girls aged 10, asking mum, is engineering something I can get into as a career? Making sure that mum understands that actually it's a socially valuable, really important career for both genders to embark on. Also then to underpin the teachers, to help them to have the toolkits they need to carry forward the interest of young people, boys and girls obviously. And then, as Faye says, to have really good role models. So we really need to brigade, I'd like to say, female engineers. So we've got more than just one or two who can stand up and be counted and seen to be both feminine but actually really important, powerful engineers helping the UK economy.
Yeah, one of the things that I find is that if I go into any STEM careers advisors, the first thing the parents ask is, what role do you do? Because they want to see women being successful in the career of engineering. If they don't see that, I think that causes other issues. And that's why we need, obviously, more role models from industry as well.
Well, Faye, you're chair of the bursary committee, so what exactly are you looking for in terms of applicants?
Yes, so I think a priority is that we're looking for really talented people that are struggling financially, people that are in financial hardship, so it could be kind of make or break as to whether they continue their roles at college or at university or in apprenticeships. So just to give people that opportunity to continue in the studies in engineering or science and technology.
Well, we wish you both very much luck in the year ahead and look forward to following your progress. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Thank you.